What's going on, guys? CamSick TV here. I did promise you guys a video on why did I change my channel name, and the exact reason why is because I'm planning on getting a new project later in the future that will involve getting cammed. Hint, hint, it's a project. It's not going to be a project for Gen Explorer because I got to keep that a daily. I mostly drive that car long distances, and I also need it as a daily. It already sucks on fuel mileage right now as it is without a cam, so I can only imagine putting on a cam how bad it would be. And also having a cammed engine as a daily driver, I don't think that's a too good idea. But guess what is cammed? The DRZ right here. It's cammed. It has a stage 1 hot cam with a dual Yoshimori with a forgot what stage, it's stage 2 carb reject kit is done to it, all done by me. Sorry, I'm not talking too well because, you know, I'm trying to concentrate. But yeah, so this baby right here is a 2017 DRZ. It currently has 1431 on the clock. Yeah, it's cammed. It has a hot cam, stage 1, so you don't hear the cam too much at idle. It does have a lot more top end power on it, as well as it's more yeah, she's quick, and she sounds pretty beast because it has a Yoshimura system on it and a stage 2 carb reject kit. I forgot what brand. I'll probably put it in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much where CamSick TV came from, because of the DRZ. And also I am planning on getting a project car later in the future that is going to be cammed. And it is going to be a V8, the next project I'm going to get, but it's not going to be now. The reason why I decided to change the name is because my channel is still in the growing process of getting more audiences. And also, what happened up here? It is growing audience-wise. It is growing professionality-wise by me being more professional in my video editing and video producing, I should say, because all of the videos I've been putting out is trying to be more car showy and doing stuff that I think people will enjoy, by like going to car shows with the cammed American Muscles and stuff like that, for nationals, you know, things that I think people would like. So that's another reason why I called it CamSick TV, because in a way the channel name is more better than 4.0 Kev, and in my opinion, I feel like I'm gonna grow a lot better, because since I did rename my channel, I'm not bragging or anything, but I've gained 6 subscribers, and I just renamed it like 3 days ago. It's currently Monday, June 11th, 2018, and you can imagine what this channel could become. It's like a growing baby. It's my baby. It's your guys' baby, because you guys are my audience, and thank you for that. There's merch coming along in the future, probably when I hit 4. Yeah, thanks for that, buddy. There's merch coming in the future. There's going to be shirts, there's going to be keychains, and there's going to be hats. Right now, I have keychains in the making, so if you guys are interested with keychains, let me know in the description. I'll get them out to you guys much quicker. Other than that, that's the reason why I changed it. It's because the bike is cammed, and I am planning on camming one of my project vehicles in the future. It is a V8. It's not the Explorer. The reason why is because that's a daily. I gotta keep that a daily. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the reason why I called it Cam Sick TV. And also in the future, say things do go well for me, and I say, you know, open up my own gig, Cam Sick would be a cool name to name something. You know what I mean? I don't know what it is, but it'll be cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. More videos to come. And thank you guys for all the love. And keep coming for more. Peace.